Hello all. So I'll be revising writs today with you. So what do you mean by the term writ? Who can issue it? Against whom it can be issued will be discussed in this short video. So what is a writ? Writ is a written application made. Now a person whose fundamental rights get violated can directly approach to Supreme Court or High Court. Article 32 and 226 talks about this. So this written application is known as writ. Your first type of writ is writ of habeas corpus. What is habeas corpus? Habeas corpus means to have a body who can apply. So writ of habeas corpus is made when person is detained or arrested without proper justification. Then this writ can be issued. This can be made by person on behalf of the detained person, or detained person himself can apply. On receipt, the court is going to issue order against the detaining authority to produce the arrested person before them. So this is first type of writ. Your second type of writ is your writ of mandamus. What do you mean by the term mandamus? Mandamus means command. So now this is a command. Who is going to issue it? Supreme Court or High Court is going to issue this command against whom? Against any person, corporation, inferior court or government. Why? Because they need to perform the statutory duty. They had to perform it, but they failed to do it. So this writ is issued. This writ of mandamus cannot be issued against any private person or president and governor of state. So this is second type of writ. Your third type of writ is writ of prohibition. This is preventive relief. Now prohibition is issued again by Supreme Court or High Court to an inferior court or tribunal to refrain from doing something. They are going to stop from doing something, hence it is known as preventive relief. So it is based on the principle prevention is better than cure. Now generally issued before trial of case or during pendency, this writ will be issued. And mandamus commands activity. Mandamus tells you to do whatever you have failed to do, whereas prohibition tells you to stop whatever you are going to do, please don't do it. So mandamus commands activity and prohibition commands inactivity. This is the third writ. Then comes your writ of certiorari. What do you mean by the term certiorari? It means to be certified or to be more fully informed of. Now this writ can be issued again by Supreme Court or High Court against whom? Against the inferior court, authority, or whenever any authority or court, whenever any authority or court have abuse of jurisdiction, or they have acted without authority or violated principle of natural justice, or there is any prima facie error, or they have violated any fundamental rights given in part 3 of the Constitution of India, then this writ is issued. Now Supreme Court can also issue this writ against High Court. We have not read in any of the writs earlier. This is the writ of certiorari, in which Supreme Court can issue a writ of certiorari to any High Court correcting the erroneous decisions. Object of prohibition and certiorari are same, but prohibition is available at earlier stage, whereas certiorari is available at later stage. And your last writ is writ of quo warranto. Quo warranto is a question that what is your authority. This is generally while occupying the public office. So while continuing in public office, if it is wrongfully done, then this writ is issued, and if on investigation it is found that the person was not entitled to public office, then the court may restrain from acting an order to vacate the office. Issued when it is the office is of public nature only. This writ is issued against Prime Minister, Judge of High Court, Speaker of Parliament, university officials, but this writ cannot be issued against private person, or if any alternative remedy is available, this writ cannot be issued. So these are 5 types of writs on which again questions are asked. For old syllabus, MCQs are based on these 5 writs, one of the main part of constitution from exam point of view. For JIGL, you'll get a short note, or you'll get to write the about the writs So for both the new and old syllabus, this part is one of the important parts from your syllabus. I hope you liked watching this video. Thank you for watching. Keep following.